Access granted.
Carbon monoxide detector is a project that developed from combination of hardware and software that can quickly detect the percentage of carbon monoxide gas inside the car through air conditioning. Nowadays, carbon monoxide leakage are increasingly become a serious cases. Carbon monoxide can be detected in vehicles such as a car. It can be very dangerous and can be life-threatening. The purpose of this project is to develop a carbon monoxide detector that can quickly detect percentage of CO gas inside the car through air conditioning. The objective of this project is to develop carbon monoxide detector that can help user detect percentage of carbon monoxide gas quickly and to prevent unwanted incident happen. This project is different from the current system. By using Bring's apps and MQ7 sensor, this carbon monoxide detector detects CO gas and warn user by using alarm and give user notification through their user smartphone about the percentage of CO gas inside their car. MQ7 sensor is used in this project as to detect percentage of CO gas. It's make detection by method of cycle high and low temperature and detect CO gas when it is low temperature. The surface resistance of the sensor RS is obtained through effective voltage in the output of the load RL. Furthermore, the sensor can detect 20 to 2000 ppm of CO in air. The sensor conductivity is higher along the gas concentration rising. The advantage of this project is to prevent CO gas poisoning, and it also can notify user an early warning of CO gas leakage detected inside their car. My plans for the future is I will commercialize this project to the higher level, and if there is an opportunity, I will like to work with any car manufacturer to upgrade the car safety system, because with my project, I think the safety of the car user will be safer. For me, I think my improvement plan is to convert the battery usage to the solar energy, and if the sensor detect a gas leak above 85%, the window will be open slightly and the air conditioning will switch to the wine mode to renaturalize the percentage of gas in the car.
This is my project. It is specially designed to be placed inside vehicle, especially car. The percentage of CO gas has been indicated by LED red, yellow and green. If sensor detect less than 30% CO gas, green LED will be on. However, if the sensor detects more than 30% CO gas, yellow LED will be turned on and the user will be notified a pop-up warning message via Bing apps through their smartphone. And if the sensor detect more than 60% CO gas, the red LED will be turned on and user will be notified the danger pop-up message through their smartphone via Blink's apps. And also when sensor detect more than 30% and 60% CO gas, buzzer will be turned on to notify user.